First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to see the day 57 daily score booster questions, starting with simplifications. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon. Let's get started. The question, first one is 19 1 times is 19, 19 2 times 38, 39, 399 minus 24 percentage of 650. Here I see percentage 2 multiple, single zero and 5 multiple. So how I write is 2 12 times 5 13 times. So value for this one is nothing but this one. 12 13 times is 156 plus 13 4 times is 52. 13 2 times 26 plus 5 312 minus 25% of 420 means 1/4 of 420 means 4105 times. Okay, so totally we have 399 plus 312 minus 156 minus 105. So here we have 11 minus 11 0, 10 minus 5 5, 6 minus 2 4. So answer is 450. Option A is our answer. Next, second question. 16 2/3 percentage, it is nothing but 16.66 percentage. The fraction value of that one is nothing but 1/6 divided by into 196. 6 3 times 18 and 6 2 times 12, we left with 40. So 0.40 means 6 times 36, so again 40, so 66. So 32.66 we get the value for this one, plus 12.5% means nothing but the fraction value of 1/8 into 480. This will be 8 60 times, minus 25% means 1/4 of 640, 4 16 times and 0, plus 13 4 times is 52, 13 2 times 26 and 5 50 31. So 312 equals to 20x plus 4.66. Now what we have is 32.66 and this comes this side with a negative. So 0.66 cancels and 66 cancelled. We have 32 plus 60 minus 160 plus 312. This comes this side with minus and 66 cancels here. So what we left is 44. Now totally whole equals to 20x. Here we have 4 and unit digit 4 0, 10 minus 10 0, 3 minus 1 2. So 200 equals to 20x. So x equals to 10. So option C is our answer. Next, third question, root over 361 which is 19 plus root over 5832 which is 18 cube value plus root over 9604, this is 98 square. Or else how to find this one is, we see unit digit 4, so the unit digit of this value must be either 2 or 8. Leaving 2 digits we have 96. 96 means the nearest square for this one, which is 9 square 81, 10 square which is 100. 100 is more than this one, so we will take a 9 square. So the value of this one must be either this one or this one, but I know the value of this one. How to find the value of 95 square? Here unit digit is 5 and talking about square, we'll add 1 to this one, we get 10. 10 times is a 90 and 5 square 25. So 95 square value is a 90 25. This number is greater than this one, so the value for this one must be greater than 95 square. So our answer is 98. So this is how I find the 98. Okay, plus cube root of 1728 which is the value of 12. So whole equals to this 103 comes this side with plus 103, whole equals to 5x. Okay, what we have is 10 27 30, 4, 5, 10, 15, 2500. So x equals to 50 times. Option C is our answer. Next, fourth question. Here 17 2 times, 16 2 times 32, 19 5 times 5 14 times is 70, 8 30 times, this will be 453, 11 times, 23 into 11 times. Sum of these two placed in between them, 253. So this is the answer. What we get is 5 at the unit digit, 10 10 20, 6 4 plus 4 805. So answer is 805. Option D is our answer. Next, fifth question. 14.28 percentage, which is the fraction value of 17, 1 by 7 into 133. 7, 1 times 7, 63 means 9 times 63. So we got 19 from this one. 16.66 means 1 by 6th of 145. 6, here I can write this as 6 2 times 12, left with 25, 4 times 25, 24, and left with 1, 1 0. 1 0 means 1 times and 6 times. So we are leaving this 24.16 plus 66.66 percentage of 250. So how we write this as percentage 2 multiple, 5 multiple, and a single zero. We write this as 2 33 times into 5 5 times. 5 3 times is 15, and into 11 times means sum of these two. So 165 from this one plus 14 into 17. So 14 17 times is 238 equals to x. So what we have is 19 plus 24.16 and 165 plus 238. This will be 9 9 18 18 27 18 26. This is 5 11 11 plus 3 14 3 4 446.16. So option C is our answer. Okay, next we are going to see quadratic equations. Quadratic equations, first question. Here it is 3x plus 4y equals to, this is 12. Here we have 4x minus 3y equals to minus 59. Let's multiply this with 3, this with 4. We get 3 times 9x plus 12y equals to 36. This is 16x minus 5 4 3 times 12y equals to, and 4 times 36, 4 5 times 20 23 minus 236. Here these are cancelled, so we have 25x equals to minus 200. So x value is minus 8. So what is the y value? Here we have 4x, which is 8 4 times minus 32 minus 3y equals to minus 59. So everywhere minus cancels we have, or else this 3y comes this side and this goes this side. We have 59, and this one 59 minus 32, we have 27. So 3 9 times. So y value is 9. Now by checking these two, comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than y. Next, second question. Here in this case, we can find the value of x square, which is sum of these two divided by 2. So x square value we get something, and also we can find y square value, difference between these two, by 2. So after getting those numbers, we have squares, means the value of x is one positive, one negative. Here also y square, the values we get is one positive and one negative. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than y and x is lesser than y comes here. So there is no relation between these two equations. Okay, next third question. Here we see 14 one times is 14. We need to get 9 by adding those two roots. 7 two times is 14, and we got 9 by adding those two. Plus and plus means both the roots are in negative. Here we have 9y square minus 12y. This will be plus 4 equals to 0. Here it is clear that the root signs, here we have minus and plus means the root signs are in a positive. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is less than y. Okay, let's see fourth one. 91, we need to get 91, and sum of those two roots will be 20, means 13 7 times is 91. Sum of these two we get 20. Minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. Here we have 36, means plus 6 and minus 6 are the roots. Now comparing these two, x is greater than y. Next one, fifth question. Here we see minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. Here plus and plus means both the roots are in negative. Now by comparing these two, x is greater than y. Now we are going to see wrong number series. First question, it looks like into 3 times plus 2. Here it looks like into 2 times, which is 76 plus 6. It looks like into 3 times, 3 2 times is 6, 3 8 times 24 minus 7. Here it looks like into 2 times, which will be 18 7 and 4 plus 3. So plus 3, it is into 3 unit digit. 3 plus 2 will be unit digit 5. So we have into 2 plus 3, into 3 plus 5. Here also into 3 plus 2. Oh, wait, it is into 3 plus 2. So it must be into 2 plus 3. So into 2 we get 76. 76 plus 3 will be 79. So this is a wrong number. 9 3 times is 7. 7 plus 2 will be 9. So our wrong number is 82. Right number is 79. Now the second question, we see the difference between these two is 16. Here the difference between these two is 2 39 32. Here the difference between these two is 2 plus 65, which is 67. Here the difference is 5 8 minus 6 2 125. Here the difference between these two is 6 5 256. So it is clear that 16 2 times is 32, 32 times is 64, 64 2 times is 128, 128 2 times is 256. So these two are wrong. So in between them, this is our wrong number. Next, we're going to see the differences here. We have 9 plus 86, which is 95. Here the difference we have is 6 plus 91, 97. Here the difference between these two is 30 plus 94, which will be 4 and 124. Here the difference between these two is 6 and 70, 76. Here the difference between these two is 301. So these numbers are the odd numbers, successive odd numbers. So it must be 99, it must be 101. So in between them, this is our wrong number. Okay, next fourth question. Here we see the difference between these two is 14. Here the difference between these two is 28. Here we have 43. Here the difference between these two is 55. Here the difference is 0 70. So I am familiar with these numbers are the 14 factors. 14 1 times, 14 2 times, 14 5 times. So it must be 14 3 times and 14 5 times, 4 times. So these two are wrong, means this is our wrong number. Next, fifth question. Here it is into 3 times plus 4. It is nearly 5 times. 5 2 times is 10. 5 2 times 10, 11. 110. But here we have 112. So 110, let's take 110. It must be plus 6. Okay, it must be into 7 times. 7 6 times is 42. So this is our wrong number. Now we are going to see missing number series. Missing number series, first question. Here we see the difference of 1, 2, 1. So 11 square. Here we see a difference of 3, and this is 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 will be 4, and 3, 343, which is 7 cube. This is minus plus. This is minus 5 and 2. So it must be minus 5 square. These are prime numbers, squares and cubes. So here must be minus 3 cube, which is 9, which is 27. The difference between these two is also 27 plus 27. Okay, the next one must be minus 2 square, which is 4. So answer will be 370. So option C is our answer. Next, here we see a difference of 2. Here difference of 5. Difference is 11. Here the difference is 29. Okay, now the difference between these two is 3, 6, 18. So 3 2 times, 6 3 times, into 2 times, into 3 times. So it must be into 4 times, must be 72. Sum of these two means 11 and 10, 101. So 8, 5, 1, 158 is our answer. Option D is our answer. Next, third one. Here we see a difference of 10. Here also difference of 10, 15 and 30. Into 1 times, into 1.5 times, into 2 times, into 2.5 times means 60 plus 15, 75. So 4, 14, 144 is our answer. Option D is our answer. Next, here we see it is nearly half times. Half time means 79, 79 minus 1 into half times, 39 minus 1 into half times, 19, 19 minus 1 into half minus 1. Next one must be into half minus 1. 8 half times means 4, 4 minus 1, 3. Option A is our answer. Next, here we see a difference of 3, 5 and 9. Difference of 17. Okay, double difference we have 2, 4, 8. So it must be 16. This will be 33. 50 plus 33 is 83. So answer is 83. Option A is our answer. Now we are going to see inequalities. Inequalities, first question. Before that, the concept we use here is the flow method. What is the flow method? Is if we see a symbol like this, the flow from this side to this side. If we see a symbol like this, the flow from this side to this side. Let's see and understand through the concept. First question, first conclusion. The flow from S to B with everywhere equals to. From S we can able to reach up to G but cannot able to reach to B. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from B to S. From B we can reach up to G but cannot able to reach to S. So second conclusion is also false. But here we see both the alphabets are B and S, and in between them B is lesser, B is equal to, and B is greater. All the three symbols are in between them. So the answer for this one is either 1 or 2 is the answer for this question. Next, second question. The flow from N to W. From N we can able to reach to I but cannot able to reach to W. So first conclusion is false. Second conclusion. The flow from R to A. From R we can able to reach to A. Yes, it is true. Next, third question. The flow from B to Y. From B we can reach to G. From G we can reach to U. From U we can reach to Y. So it is possible to reach Y. First one is true. Second one, the flow from N to Y. From N we can reach to U and Y also. So second conclusion is also true. Fourth question, the flow from N to Y with everywhere equals to. From N there is no flow. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, The flow from Z to N. From Z we can reach to C, X and N. So second conclusion is true. Fifth question. The flow from F to J. From F we can able to reach to G, H, I. From I we can reach to J. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion. The flow from J to M. From J we can able to reach to K but cannot able to reach to M. So second conclusion is false. Now we are going to see syllogisms. Syllogisms. First question. All computer is television. All TV is monitor. Some monitor is laptop. Let's see conclusion. Some monitor is computer. Some part of monitor is sharing with computer. Yes. So first conclusion is true. Second conclusion. No computer is laptop. So we check some computer can be laptop or not. Some computer can share with laptop. We can able to make some part of sharing with the computer and the laptop is possible. So some case possible means no case fails. Next, second question. Some almond is dates. Some, let's see, some almonds is dates. Some dates is cashew. All cashew is pistachio. Only a few pistachio is resins. Let's see conclusions. All almonds can be dates. All almonds can be placed inside dates. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. So first conclusion is true. Second conclusion. Some pistachio is not a resins. We see not here. So we check all pistachio can be resins. All pistachio can be placed inside resin. It is not possible. All case not possible because of this one. All case not possible means some not case will be true. Next, third question. Only a few paper is book. Only a few paper is a book. All book is page. Some page is register. Let's see conclusions. First conclusion. Some register is book. Some part of a register is sharing with book. No. So first conclusion is false. Some paper is page. Some part of paper is sharing with page. Yes, it is clear that they are sharing. So second conclusion is true. Next, fourth question. Some hair is nails. Next, all nails is finger. No hair is neck. Okay, let's see conclusions. Some nails is not neck. We see not here. So we check all nails can be neck. All nails can place inside neck. It is possible. No, it is not possible because of sharing of this part. So all case fails means some not case will be true. So first conclusion is true. Second conclusion. All fingers can never be neck. Here we see never. So we check all fingers can be neck or not. All fingers can share inside the neck. No, because of sharing with the H. So all case fails means all never case will be true. Next, fifth question. All cucumber is pumpkin. Some brinjal is cucumber. Next, some pumpkin is bitter gourd. Some pumpkin is bitter gourd. Okay, next conclusions. All brinjal being bitter gourd is a possibility. All brinjal can be placed inside a bitter gourd. Yes, it is possible. So first conclusion is true. Second conclusion. Some cucumber is definitely not a bitter ground. So here we see not. So we check all cucumber can be bitter ground. All cucumber can be placed inside a bitter ground. It is possible. All case possible means some not case is false. Okay. Now we have completed all the syllogisms. Now we are going to see a reasoning puzzle. Okay. The question says that 7 different fruits are eaten by Rohan on 7 different days starting from Monday to Sunday of same week. Only one fruit is eaten between mango and banana. Okay. The question is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Rohan eats different fruits on each day. Let's see the rough statements that are given. Only one fruit is eaten between mango and banana. Mango and banana, there is only one fruit. Next one. Banana is not eaten on Friday. So banana is not eaten on Friday. As many fruits as apple before apple is same as after oranges. Okay, next one is kiwi is eaten immediately before plum. Kiwi is eaten immediately before plum, but after papaya. These two are immediate and after papaya. Okay, mango is eaten on one of the days before Thursday but not on Monday. Before Thursday means either this one or else this one, but not on Monday. So we have M two places. Mango got two places. So the last statement is apple is eaten 3 days after mango. So 3 days after mango means 1 2, this is the apple. In this case this is the apple. Now we see M dash B. So we can write B either here or here, but we cannot able to place B here. So the only place we left for B is this one. In this case the only place for B is this one. Okay, wait a second. Okay, now what we have is A above is same as O below. A below is only one, so only place for O is this one. A below 2 1 2, this is O. Okay, we have completed these two. Next we have papaya, kiwi and plum. Kiwi and plum must be immediate. If we place kiwi and plum here, the papaya must be above kiwi, but there is no place for the papaya above kiwi, so this case fails. In this case we have kiwi and plum places are here and papaya place is above here. So this is the solution of our puzzle. Let's see the questions that are asked in our puzzle. The kiwi is eaten on which of the following day? Kiwi eaten on Saturday. Option A is our answer. Next, second question. Which day and fruit correctly matched? Wednesday mango? No. Saturday apple? No. Sunday orange? No. Thursday plum? Thursday plum? No. Monday papaya. So option E is our answer. Next, third question. Which of the following fruit is eaten immediately before apple? Banana. Option C is our answer. Fourth question. If the fruits eaten on Saturday and Tuesday are interchanged, Saturday and Tuesday are interchanged, so it must be kiwi now. It is a mango now. Then which of the following fruit is eaten on Saturday? Saturday, mango. Option B is our answer. Next, how many days are between papaya and plum? Papaya here, plum is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days. So option D is our answer. So that's all for today. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Thanks for watching.